Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get deleted notifications back on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to review an notification received no later than 24 hours ago, we can easily do this using our device's settings. To do so, we're gonna have to go to settings on our smartphone, then go to notifications menu, then go to advanced settings, and then open notification history. Make sure that it's enabled, and here you will find all the notifications from the previous 24 hours. Now if you want to store older notifications on your smartphone, you're gonna have to download and install the Good Luck application, which is available both on Play Store and on Galaxy Store. So just open one of them and search for Good Luck application. It's an official Samsung app, so don't worry, there will be no apps or anything else. Just open this app, and then we're gonna need to download an additional extension to this app. So once you run it, navigate down to NotiStar extension, and then download and install it on your smartphone too. It's a pretty light app, so don't worry about the storage. Run this app, tap Start, and then switch the toggle to right next to activate NotiStar. Now here you can adjust the applications list for your notifications, and below we can adjust the most important feature. So the limit of storing of your notifications. So by default it's 30 days, but we can extend it up to no limit and basically store the notifications forever using no limit option. And yeah, this way all the deleted notifications will be stored in the NotiStar app on your smartphone. So if you tap back, you will see the notifications list, and all the new notifications will be stored here from the selected apps. And basically you can come back later to this app and check the notifications that you may have accidentally dismissed on your phone, and check them for basically after basically as much time as you need to. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.